Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Samsung JetBot with SmartThings routines, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your Samsung JetBot is fully charged. Download and install the SmartThings app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the SmartThings app on your mobile device. Sign in or create a Samsung account if you do not already have one. Tap on the Add Device button, usually indicated by a plus sign. Search for JetBot and select your specific model from the list. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect the JetBot to your Wi-Fi network. Once connected, you'll see your JetBot appear in the SmartThings dashboard. Tap on your JetBot to access its settings. To set up routines, navigate to the Automations tab in the SmartThings app. Tap on Add Routine to start creating a new automation. Choose a trigger for your routine, such as a specific time or a command. Select Add Action and then choose Smart Device. From the list, select your Samsung JetBot. Decide what you want the JetBot to do, such as starting a cleaning session. Save your routine by tapping Done in the top right corner. You can also add conditions, such as only running the routine when someone is home. Test your new routine to ensure it functions as expected. If needed, make any adjustments to the timing or actions. Explore additional SmartThings features for enhanced automation. Check for firmware updates for your JetBot for optimal performance. Regularly clear your SmartThings app cache to ensure smooth operation. This completes the configuration of your Samsung JetBot with SmartThings routines. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.